Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make online store with big Cartel. So simply in this video I will tell you step by step all the process to open your online store with big Cartel. So first of all, here you can see bigcartel.com is available. So just open this website, and after that this is the main interface of big cartel. So simply now I want to open the store. On the top left side you can see the sign up option. So first of all you have to create a account, so just you have to click on sign up, and after that here you can see if you want to buy a premium package, simply monthly package available for 50 products, 500 products. So this package is available per 500 products, so it's depend upon you how much products you want to add on your cartel. So in this way you have to select the one option. So in my case here you can see sign up free option, so just click on sign up free, and after that you will move to next page. So simply just type your email here, and after that when you type your email here, simply in the next step you have to type your password. So as you can see, when you click on password it will show the strong password to you, so you can add the strong password here. So in my recommendation you have to add a strong password because the normal password are easily hackable. So simply just you have to click here, and after that here you can check this is the strong password. So simply just you can add the password. After that here you can see the shop name, so just simply type the shop name here. So just keep in mind that when you type the shop name here, so the URL will automatically generate it. So simply just keep in mind that select the unique shop name so that the URL will be easily available. After that just click on sign up, and now when you click on sign up you will move to next page. So simply let's verify your email address. So just we will go to our mailbox, so simply open your mailbox and just so here you can see we need you to verify your email. Simply open this and click on verify your email address. So just simply click here, and after that you have to log into your account. So simply just type the password here. So here you can see you have also option like if you want to change your email address, contact support, log out or close your shop. So these options are available here. So just we will move to next step. So now here when you log in, simply you will move to the new dashboard. So after that here you can see getting started with checklist. So first of all here you can see design your shop, launch your shop. So simply just click on design your shop. So finally here you can see click on edit profile. So here you can edit your profile, and here you can see location and country. So just here how you can add the payment method, taxes, billing. So just entering all the details. So here you can see the design option. So just simply click on the design. So we will go to my big Cartel design. So now after that, here you can see the settings option. So simply here you can see the header image. So simply just select any header image here. So just open it. So as you can see our header image is uploading. So finally set the header image here. So also now if you want to add the repeating image background, so simply you can add the background here, and after that slideshow you can see 900px by 500px. So you can also add the slideshow here. Select drop image to upload. So here you can upload the image for slideshow of your products or that what you want to display in your store. After that just scroll down and here you can see the color coding. So simply if you want to change the color, just simply go to Google and search for color with codes. So here you can see the HTML color codes and all other color codes. So just what you need to do, you have to copy any code and just go to here, and here you can change the background color, secondary background color, primary text, secondary text, link hover, header text, product background hover, border, button text. So in this way you can change the color of your store that you want to add here. After that here you can see the primary fonts option. So simply just if you want to change the fonts, so here you can see the primary fonts available. Like if you select something like products or anything, so simply you can change the primary fonts here, and after that here you can find the secondary fonts. So simply you can change the secondary fonts here. So just after that here you can see the announcement text. So it will be available on every page when you type the announcement text here. So as you can see it's appeared here. Navigation items, how much item you want to add, future products. So here you can add the future products, like what products are upcoming in your store, future products order, regular, top selling, newest. So you can add this option here, maximum products per row. So in any row how much products should be displayed. So simply 4 numbers available, so you can select this. After that maximum products per row mobile. So simply you can see this is the desktop view. So simply if you click here, so you can get the tablet view or phone view. So simply in the mobile how much products on per row, simply you can select this products per page. So how much products should be displayed on single page. So just simply you can change the option here, like even you can add the 100 products per page. So simply just you can set according to your recommendation. After that product grid image style. So here you can see cropped square, fit square, these two options available. In the next product list info, so here you can set the product list info on rollover, under image. So these options are available. Now currency sign, price display, like currency sign or currency code with sign. So these are two options are also available here. So now after that product page layout, images on left, images on right, this option is available. So here you can see show search, show Facebook share button. So just when you enable this, so just simply you can add social icon one by one, like show Twitter button, show Pinterest pin button. So just simply type your Twitter URL account here. Here you have to type your Facebook URL. Here you have to type your Tumblr URL, and even you can add the Instagram URL and Pinterest URL. So after that, here you can see the themes option. So here you can find the themes like this one. So just simply what you need to do, you can also reset your theme, like if you have addition in your theme but you want to reset your theme, so simply just you have to click on reset themes. So in this way you can reset theme. After that, here you can see multiple themes available. So simply just if you want to change the theme, just here click on this theme, and after that, just as you can see, our theme has been changed. So just scroll down, and here you can see all the themes available. So it depends upon you which theme you like to most. After that, here you can see the pages option. So just simply when you go to pages, so here you can see add a new page option. So just click here and just type the page name here, and after that, here you can add the description of your page. So simply when you add the description, you can change the font style here. Even you can add or insert the image. After that, click on done. So now here you can see your page is added with description. So simply in this way, just you can also edit the page that once you created. So in this way you can create multiple pages in your store. After that, here you can see the code option. So as you can see all the codes regarding your stores available. So just simply scroll down and you will find all the codes here. So now if you know how to play with codes, simply you can set the codes, like you can change it according to your need. After that, here you can see the publish option. So simply just when you click here, your store will be published. So just when you click here you can see the contact card, maintenance, home, products, all the store related settings available here. So just after that, when you set your store and add your products, so just you need to publish your store. So simply just you have to click on publish. So in this way you can set up a store and publish it easily. So this is very easy method to set